What is up, guys? This is Aman from Tech on Y9, and today I have a new video for you. It's been a while that I've had a video for you guys, but I felt like I needed to make a video tonight. And before we start, we're going to be actually having this ginger yogi tea that I love, and I'm going to just put it in here and let it steep while we actually make this video. So here we go. So this video is inspired by my own life events. These AirPods sometimes can be troublesome and you can have some issues with it. I've had these for a few years now. So for me, I love these things. I have them in my car. I keep them in my work for when I get phone calls. And even sometimes at the gym, I end up using these AirPods because of conveniences over my Beats, for instance. But I have to say, I've had some issues with it in the last month or so, and I've dealt with those issues, and I wanted to make a video on that and tell you guys how to fix your AirPods when they don't work or they don't charge. So some of the things that I actually went through, we're going to go through those and we're going to talk about it, and hopefully this video helps you guys with those issues that you might be having also down the line, or already had it or are having it at the moment. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon at the bottom of the video. It really helps me out with my channel. And I also wanted to shout out Erica, the technology nerd, because she's one of the people that I actually love watching her videos, because her videos are similar to mine, but she talks about something different. She talks about gaming, which I don't really have much in common with, but I just love how she makes her videos. So, here we go. Let's start this video off. And so one of the things that I had to go through was actually look at the bottom of this and make sure that this actually is clean. So you can take a toothpick, go in there and actually clean that out with a toothpick. If there is some gunk or keeping it in your pocket, the lint can actually get in there. You clean that out and then you plug the charger back in and it should start charging. All right, guys, so second tip, if these are still not charging, you can clean these out, okay? So inside these, they have metal rings. Actually, right over here is the metal rings. Can you see this? These actually charge the AirPods, okay? When these connect with the metal pieces inside it, they charge. So you've got to make sure these are actually clean. So you can take one of these, okay, wet it with isopropyl alcohol and just go in there and clean these out gently. Do the same thing on the other side, and it's like cleaning your ears, okay? You got to be very gentle. Clean it all out, any gunk that gets in there, because guess what? Your AirPods are dirty, okay? They go in your ear, then they get touch your skin, oils from your skins get in there. You've got to clean these out every once in a while, okay? So you clean these out really well, okay? Clean them out all the way. All right, I usually try to clean them at least every other day or every day, if possible, with alcohol, some sort of alcohol, and that does the job for most of the part, okay? And I like them looking clean, so you can just do a nice job while you're at it, okay? So that's one thing. Once you do that, they should properly connect to your AirPods, okay? And if they don't don't worry. We have other ways to fix this, okay? So now, let it sit there for a minute. Let it dry out before you put the AirPods back in, okay? While that's sitting there, you can use one of these microfiber cloths, okay? See these connectors? Just wipe them down. Wipe them down. Get all the oils and the gunk off of these, all right? Get all of this connected, all of these AirPods nice and clean. Okay, just wipe them down. See how clean they look now? They look shiny, right? This is how you want them. You want to make sure you clean your devices properly. They're electronics. Keep them clean. so that way you get great quality video from your phones, and when you're listening to these, you get great quality sound. That's what these are all about, right? Connecting and being able to listen to each other and talk to each other. So clean them. All right, clean the other one also. All right, wipe this down really well. Okay, wipe everything down so you can actually hear properly. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, while you're doing this, you might as well get in here. See these right here? Pop these off. Clean that out, guys. Okay, mine's pretty clean. And also wash this out. You can wash these out. Just this, not these. Okay, don't wash your AirPods. Just wash this part out. Just rinse it out. Okay, and you can wipe this off. Okay, look at that, guys. Nice and clean. Keep it clean so that way you get great quality sound and you're able to hear people properly while you're driving, or if you're at work or wherever you use these. Now, once you're done with that, put them back in there, and make sure, guys, when you're doing this, push them down so they actually connect and you see the green dot. Okay, green dot means they're actually in there, secure and fully charged. If if you pushed them down and this was yellow, you would see that they're charging. Okay, so that's a good sign we have right now. You can actually reset these. Okay, so make sure when you're resetting these, guys, you hold these two down so that way they're touching the prongs on the inside, and you hold the button on the back of it. You see that button right there? Can you guys see that? You hold that down until it resets it. You watch this. Okay, you hold it down for a while and then eventually it will reset it. Okay, and right now it's in pairing mode, but eventually it does reset and then you should be good to go. Okay, that's one way to do it. Now, if you guys are still having issues with these AirPods, what you can do is actually start charging the AirPods Pro case. And if you have an issue like this with another AirPods, you can actually do the same exact things and try it out with the AirPods 2. The new AirPods 3 that just came out possibly will do the same issues also, and the AirPods 1. You can try this out with all of those and they should fix the issue. Okay, for the third solution, you can actually charge this through an Apple certified charger and cable. Charge the case and that should fix the issue. Okay, once you charge it, you shouldn't have any issues. Once you charge that, these will automatically charge at the same time and you'll be good to go. Now, guys, don't forget, you got to charge these for a certain amount of time. So don't wait a couple of minutes and then be like, oh, it's not working, nothing's happening. Give it at least 30 to 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer if possible. If you have some time, just let them sit there and let them charge, maybe overnight. Wake up in the morning and see if they actually charge. Okay, if this actually the case is charging and the AirPods is still not charging with it, just push this down and see if it actually starts charging. And when you push them down, it won't be green like that. It will actually show you a yellow when you actually put it in. And these are completely dead or low battery. They will show you a yellow. Yellow means they're charging. Okay. So, guys, if that does not work, next thing you can do is you can actually go into your phone, and it may be your phone. You might have to reset the network settings on your actual phone. So to do that, you can go into the settings, all right? And then you can go into general. Well, you can go into general, but there's another there's a trick to this, okay? You can go into the search in the settings and you can just type in reset. Okay, and you just do RES and reset pops up. You click on reset right over there. And then you have two options, erase all, okay? And then reset. You hit the reset and you definitely don't want to do anything else but just your reset network settings. Then it asks you for a password. Go ahead and put the phone's password, the one you use to actually get into the phone, okay? I'm gonna do that right now. All right. So once you put in the password, guys, it is going to ask you for a confirmation. It's just making sure you actually want to go through with that. And you're not going to lose anything, guys. You're not going to lose any apps. it's only going to reset your Wi-Fi password, okay? Your Wi-Fi password and your network settings. Let's do that now. I'm going to go through it with this, okay? So it's going to give it a few minutes. I'm going to have a sip of my tea while we wait. Oh guys, this is so good. Ginger tea. Really, really good. One of my friends at the gym recommended this tea. Go out and try this out, okay? Really good for bedtime. It's actually a decaffeinated tea, so you can actually have it at nighttime and just get into your zen and relax. So you just wait around for the phone to reset. This may take a few seconds because it's an iPhone SE, and I love this phone. I've never gotten rid of this phone because it's such a beautiful phone. Look at my battery life. It went from 7 to 4% just because I reset this thing. I'm gonna put the password, and bam, okay? Let's go to the settings. All right, and then we're gonna look in the Bluetooth settings. Here's the Bluetooth, all right? And we're gonna try and connect these. See what happens. So, oh, there it is. Okay, I was holding the button down and it actually worked. All right, so now we're connected right here. And by the way, my phone's gonna die very soon, but I just want to let you know it's connected. All right, so these are some of the solutions that I had to go through to mess around with it and try to figure out if that actually works or not. I did get mine working. If you guys haven't gotten to work still and your AirPods are fairly new, you can actually take it to the Apple Store and the Genius Bar will take a look at them and they will most likely replace them with a brand new ones without charging you if they're in warranty. I believe the warranty is about 12 months, but you can double check that with Apple. You can go on Apple's website at apple.com and you can actually check that out over there to see if they're actually covered under the warranty. By the way, guys, the serial number on these is right in there, okay? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right over there, okay? You can get the serial number from there and all the information you need from right over there, the model number. You just tell them that and you can actually look them up right from the Apple's website in that sense. And they'll tell you over the phone, hey, you know what? These are covered and they will replace them with a new one. Yeah, those are some of the ways you can actually fix your AirPods at home because guys, we're going through a rough patch right now. Things are getting better, but do you really want to spend $250 on a pair of AirPods that you already own? Why would you spend $250 on AirPods when you already own them? Might as well try to get them fixed for free at home. Easy fixes. I got it done. It worked. I still have these. I was kind of dreading of not spending $250 on these again. And it's not just $250, it's $250 plus tax. It comes out at $280 almost. That's like $300 that you can be spending on anything else in the world, guys. Go out and have a nice dinner for $300 instead of wasting that money on something so small that you already have that you could fix at home. So I want to thank all you guys, all my believers, for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys got some value from me today, and please subscribe to the channel if you like my channel. I do come out with videos often. I was taking a little bit of a break, guys, I'm gonna admit, but you know what, I actually needed time off to just figure out what I'm doing as far as making my videos and what I'm going to be making my videos on. And yeah, I just took a little bit of a break. Now I'm back. And I think everybody needs a break, and we don't realize that we do need the break sometimes to just not do anything at all for once. We're all working. And these extra things that we do, this is my extra thing that I do that I enjoy making videos for you guys. This just popped up while I was sitting at home, and I figured, you know what, I went through all of this hassle to figure out how to make this work, to save the money and not spend the money on these. Why not make a video and save somebody else some money also? So I hope you guys, all my believers, liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Keep grinding.